Tom, this is Larry Powell with Top Shelf Rankings, formerly Circle P Marketing. We talked to you in December of last year, so about 8 months ago, about helping you generate some new leads for your business and generating some more search traffic through your guys' website. So I was just checking through kind of today on what you guys had going on. I'm just kind of curious on what you guys have done over the past 8 months. And so I was just going to give you guys a quick video kind of outlining what I see and the changes that have happened over those last 8 months. So looking at your guys' site, it looks fantastic. I can definitely see that you guys have done some updates to it. This new first picture you see here looks fantastic. It really draws me in to continue looking at the site. One thing I did notice on here that was kind of interesting, so you guys have this set up like it's a click to call button, but this actually just takes you to your contact form. If that's by design, that's perfect. But if you guys are in fact trying to get people who are using, mobile phones to be able to contact your business by clicking on this, that won't really help you guys out. Having those click to calls on there is super important, with as oftentimes people are doing mobile search these days, so they can just click on that number and automatically connect with your business. So that would be one thing I would recommend, is making that actually a click to call, unless you guys don't actually want people calling you. So today we're going to be looking at the big three. So that's content, backlinks, and citations. So looking at content for your guys' site, the content hasn't really increased since last time I've seen your guys' site. You guys are still sitting at about 500 words of content on this homepage. So increasing that content will definitely still help you guys out. It's one of the biggest ranking factors Google looks at when determining which website is claiming that top spot. The search term that I found for you guys that is generating the most search traffic is roofing San Antonio. And this is currently getting 800 searches per month. So looking at your guys' site, we can see that you guys have it on here one time. So I would recommend probably having that on there 3 to 4 times throughout that content, just to really establish you guys as, the experts in your field, and, the experts for roofing San Antonio. That'll tell Google that this is something you guys are talking about a lot on your site. I wouldn't go any more than 4 times, but that will kind of help you guys be found in Google results for that search term. Overall, the site's looking really good though. Just increasing that content, making sure you have the search terms you want to be found for in there, will really help you guys out with your rankings. So looking at roofing San Antonio, going through this today, first thing we're seeing is the GMB, or Google My Business. I don't know if you remember from last time I sent out this video, but there's a couple different factors for how you get your business into this. And the first one is what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number, listed on the web from sources like, Yellow Book, Yelp pages, even your Facebook page. If you list that information, these can all count as citation sources for your business. So looking at citations for what your competition has, we can see Northwest Roofing, Independence Roofing. And when I originally did this, Mancha Roofing was in there, but Northwest Roofing is currently at 46 citation sources, and Mancha Roofing had 22. These things kind of change around as I'm filming these videos sometimes and doing some couple things in the background. But increasing those citation sources you guys have towards your business will definitely help. With them sitting at 46, I would recommend going somewhere around maybe 100 or so. There's like over 220 different citation sources you could find for your business in the US. So increasing those citation sources would definitely help drive you guys up into this 3. You guys are ranking 11th for this right now. When I looked this up, there's Mancha there now. But when I looked this up earlier, you guys were sitting at 11th. So you guys are right here at 11th. So increasing those citation sources will definitely help. The next big factor is going to be organic rankings. So where you guys are sitting organically, and these search results will play a lot of weight as to if you guys are going to be in this top 3. 30 to 50% of all search traffic can actually come from being in this top 3. So it's definitely very valuable territory for your business to be in. Looking at Go Titans Roofs, we can see from their website, they have a little bit of content on here, but still not very much. So very doable to pass these guys up content wise. Looking at the back end of their site, getting into backlinks, this is where it kind of gets down to the nitty gritty. I don't remember if you remember from last time we talked, but backlinks is kind of like a high school popularity contest, and you're trying to get these popularity votes from, the most popular kids in school or the most popular websites on the web, to drive your website up in the search results. So we can see that they currently have 147,000 backlinks, from 171 websites. They're ranking for 267 keywords, and they're getting 600 people per month to their website, or 590. Seeing numbers like this usually tells me that they're super spammy backlinks. You do not organically generate 147,000 backlinks. So what's new in JSF? I mean, these are super spammy links that they're getting, which is good news for your business because that means it's going to be very doable to pass these guys up if you're getting non-spammy quality backlinks pointed towards your site. A lot of these are very spammy though, which is a great thing for you guys if this is something you guys are interested in really attacking for your business. Looking at Stevens Roofing, they are I don't really include Owens Corning or Home Advisor in this because these are, large national companies. Google really prefers to rank the smaller local businesses over these large national sites like this. Looking at Stevens Roofing and what they have going on, we can see that content-wise, not a lot of content on here either. I mean, their site looks nice, but Google has no emotion. They don't care about pictures. They're based off of content, and content-wise, they're really lacking. Looking at the back end of their site, what they have going on for backlinks, we can see they have 1,000 backlinks from 118 websites. They're ranking for 384 keywords, and they're getting 823 people per month to their website. So we can actually see which keywords they're ranking for. So we can see they're also doing patio covers, but roofing San Antonio, 800 searches per month. Has a keyword difficulty or a search term difficulty of getting your business ranked for that of 13, so it's not overly high. San Antonio roofing, again, 200 searches per month. So there's 1,000 search potential opportunities right there just with those two. San Antonio roof, 450. So there's a ton of opportunity out there for your business right now if this is something you guys are serious about wanting to move forward on. Looking at your guys' site compared to these, looking at the back end of your guys' site, we can see right now these are the current metrics for your guys' site. So you guys are currently showing 6 backlinks from 4 different websites. You're ranking for 21 keywords, and you're not currently getting any organic traffic to your site. You guys might be doing some paid search. I'm not seeing any paid ads, but organically you guys aren't getting any traffic through Google search or people just organically finding your guys' site. We can see the keywords you guys are ranking for when I looked at this earlier. So you guys actually are not being found currently for roofing San Antonio. So by increasing the frequency or number of times you guys have that on your homepage would definitely help with that. But we can see San Antonio gutters, you guys are 66, seamless gutters San Antonio 66. So, there's definitely a lot of potential for your business and generating a lot of new searches and a lot of new customers by really focusing on these 3 things I talked to you about today. And just to kind of summarize those one more time, first one is content. I would increase this content on your homepage to anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words and really make sure you have those search terms you want to be found for in that content. Next one is going to be citations. Increasing the number of citations you have pointed towards your GMB, driving it into this 3-pack, and then your organic rankings. Making sure you're going after location relevant, service relevant backlinks for your business. They're going to move you guys up in the search results and help you guys claim 2 pieces of this digital real estate, as I call it, on this first page of Google search. If you have any questions on this, I'd definitely love to talk to you. If not, totally fine. I hope you guys got something out of this video. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you.